What is going on YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Crusaders, where we dominate crypto one coin at a time. I'll get right to the chase. We are currently in a bear market, meaning the overall price of the cryptocurrency market is down. Now, if you didn't already know, cryptocurrency is tied closely to stocks, so stocks are doing bad. You can almost guarantee that cryptocurrency is doing bad. Now you might be wondering what caused this crash. There are a bunch of reasons that this crash was caused. One of them is the environmental bearishness, meaning that there are lots of institutional investors that are hesitant to buy Bitcoin because of the idea that it is environmentally not friendly. Now, this ties to Elon Musk, where he tweeted a couple weeks ago, I believe, where he said that Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin. From the outside, it looks like he was spreading FUD, and to a degree that this is FUD, but you gotta understand, when it comes to Elon Musk, because he owns a public company, his investors have a lot of say in how his company goes. So for example, in this case with the environmental reasons, Elon Musk might believe that Bitcoin doesn't cause environmental damage. However, because there's pressure from his investors, they're gonna ask, why is it not environmentally friendly? Now, a lot of the Bitcoin being mined can be sourced to China and other parts of the world, but primarily China has a huge percentage of where the miners are located. And with that being said, there are actually a lot of miners that use fossil fuels to supply their mining rigs. Now, this is not the case for massive mining rigs elsewhere in the world. For example, I believe in Greenland, there is a mining rig that uses geothermal energy, which is sustainable. However, for the majority of institutional buyers, if you own a company, your investors will most likely pressure you to be more environmentally friendly so as not to hurt the face of the company and get any backlash from any other people. In further news, there are the things that caused the crashes. Other causes of the crypto crash could be tied to China's cracking down on Bitcoin mining, where they started to take notice of this Bitcoin mining and take action. And when it comes to China, they really will actually crack down on whatever they don't agree with. Other causes could be mass panic leading to mass sell-offs. This comes from a lot of novice investors who will see the price drop 30, 40, 50%, and they'll start to sell. This will then cause a domino effect of sellers, which will lead to the price going down. Now, ultimately, at the end of the day, the market will recover. In cryptocurrency, you have to understand that these dips are common. Anywhere from 10, 20, 30 to even 80% dips are very common. And if this is something that you can't handle, I would suggest not getting into cryptocurrency because it is so volatile. However, if you look at the early history of Bitcoin, this happened to Bitcoin in the past, in the earlier days, where Bitcoin was going through the same cycles, and now look where Bitcoin is. There's also something called the Bitcoin dominance, where Bitcoin, because it is the number one cryptocurrency, it has a lot of dominance over everything under it, layer 1 and layer 2 of cryptocurrencies. You can be assured that everything else is not doing well. Do not worry, buy the dips, take profits when you can, and this will all eventually reverts back to a bullish market. So if you're someone who's scared about the crypto market, about it crashing, rest assured that it will come back to normal and it will enter a season of bullishness where it'll go green and beyond. And one last example is you could look at is Dogecoin. Dogecoin had many dips, and people who bought Dogecoin when it was 0.0000 X Satoshi units, look where they're at now. They made a massive profit off Dogecoin. And the same applies to some of these new coins you might be invested in. We're still in the early days of layer 1 and layer 2 cryptocurrencies / crypto assets. And with that being said, this is a force that cannot be stopped, and it will go to astronomical heights in the future. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.